My name is Leander. I'm from Berlin. I'm 19 years old, still going to high school, and want to get into photography university next year. I started like 5 years ago with photography because I got my first camera from my parents for my 14th birthday. I use an analog camera, a Nikon analog camera. I got it recently and I use it a lot because I like to shoot and film right now. It has like a computer for the shutter speed, so it's perfect. My favorite things to shoot are people. I like architecture and I like situations, like on the street, for example, on streets. Instagram is more about photography and art, in my opinion, and not more interested people for photography. Berlin is really multicultural. We have a lot of different people and personalities here, and it's lovely to take pictures of. I also would like to be known as a photographer.